Bipolar disorder is a mental illness that causes extreme mood swings, from mania, feeling unusually happy, energetic, and irritable, to depression, feeling sad, hopeless, and sluggish. Depersonalization is a mental health disorder that causes a feeling of detachment from yourself, as if you're watching yourself from outside your body. Generalized anxiety disorder is a common mental health disorder that causes excessive worry and anxiety about a variety of things. Intermittent explosive disorder is a mental health disorder that causes sudden outbursts of anger and aggression. Panic disorder is a mental health disorder that causes sudden and unexpected panic attacks, which are episodes of intense fear and discomfort accompanied by physical symptoms such as heart palpitations, shortness of breath, and dizziness. Selective mutism is a rare anxiety disorder that causes a person to be unable to speak in certain situations, even though they can speak normally in other situations. Body dysmorphic disorder, a mental health condition characterized by a preoccupation with perceived flaws in one's appearance, even when those flaws are minimal or not noticeable to others. This preoccupation can manifest in various ways, including constant mirror checking and seeking reassurance about appearance, camouflaging perceived flaws with clothing, makeup, or hairstyles, engaging in repetitive behaviors like skin picking or hair pulling, avoiding social situations due to fear of judgment about appearance, experiencing intense anxiety, shame, and depression related to perceived flaws. Generalized anxiety disorder is a common mental health condition that causes excessive worry and anxiety about a variety of things. People with generalized anxiety disorder may worry about their health, finances, relationships, or work. Histrionic personality disorder is a personality disorder that is characterized by excessive emotionality, attention-seeking behavior, and theatricality. People with histrionic personality disorder may be overly dramatic, flirtatious, and seductive. Paranoid personality disorder is a personality disorder that is characterized by a pervasive distrust of others. People with paranoid personality disorder may believe that others are trying to harm them, deceive them, or conspire against them. They may be suspicious of friends, family, and even strangers. Psychotic depression, a severe form of depression that includes symptoms of psychosis, such as delusions, false beliefs, and hallucinations, seeing or hearing things that aren't there. Schizophrenia, a chronic mental disorder that affects a person's ability to think, feel, and behave clearly. Positive symptoms, delusions, hallucinations, disorganized thinking and speech, and bizarre behavior. Negative symptoms, social withdrawal, apathy, lack of motivation, and emotional blunting. Tourette Syndrome, a neurological disorder characterized by involuntary tics, which can be motor, muscle movements, or vocal sounds. Symptoms: motor tics like eye blinking, head jerking, or facial grimacing. Vocal tics like coughing, throat clearing, or uttering simple words or phrases. Obsessive-compulsive disorder. This is a mental illness characterized by unwanted thoughts, obsessions, and repetitive behaviors, compulsions, that a person feels driven to perform. Post-traumatic stress disorder. This is a mental health condition that is triggered by a terrifying event, either experiencing it or witnessing it. Symptoms may include flashbacks, nightmares, and severe anxiety, as well as uncontrollable thoughts about the event. Depression. This is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Agoraphobia is an anxiety disorder characterized by an intense fear of situations that might cause panic or make escape difficult. People with agoraphobia often avoid crowded places, public transportation, open spaces, or being alone outside of their homes. Kleptomania is a mental health disorder that causes people to have an irresistible urge to steal items that they do not need or want. People with kleptomania know that stealing is wrong and can get them into trouble, but they cannot stop themselves. Conversion disorder is a condition in which a person experiences physical and sensory problems, such as paralysis, numbness, blindness, deafness, or seizures, with no underlying neurologic pathology. Cognitive disorders significantly impairs the cognitive functions of an individual to the point where normal functioning in society is impossible without treatment. Alzheimer's disease is the most well-known condition associated with cognitive impairment. Borderline personality disorder, a personality disorder characterized by unstable moods, relationships, and self-image. Depersonalization disorder, a feeling of detachment from oneself as if observing oneself from outside the body. People with depersonalization may also feel emotionally numb or disconnected from their surroundings. Factitious disorder is a serious mental disorder in which someone deceives others by appearing sick, by purposely getting sick, or by self-injury.